Hello friends, in this video we will see some of the concepts relating to special characters. Can you print special characters like backslash or percentage or double quotes through printf statement? And do you remember that each of these characters has a special meaning associated with it and it can create problems when we use them with the printf statement. So have a look at this following code and try to find out its output. Let us execute the program to see the output. What we observe here is that instead of the percentage symbol, P gets printed in our output screen. This has happened because this percentage C is treated as a conversion character to print the values of char data type. As no char data type was supplied in this printf statement, so some garbage character such as this P got printed in our output screen. In a similar manner, try to find out the output of this following code. Let us execute this code to find out its output. We observe that this program does not compile and it gives a syntax error in this last printf statement that we have used in our program. The use of this double quotes here after the word is effectively terminates this constant string being printed and the contents written after that, that is the single quote are not syntactically acceptable now. So can you find a solution to this problem? So in such situations, what you are required to do is remove the special meaning of these characters that is predefined or assigned to them. Can you now guess how can it be done? Well, it can be done by simply prefixing a backslash before that symbol. We will see the solution to that previous problem with the help of this following code. We have removed the special meaning of backslash by prefixing a backslash before this symbol. However, the special meaning of percentage is removed by using two consecutive percentage signs. So let us now execute this program and see the output. We can see here that our percentage character, the backslash, double quotes and single quotes, all of them get printed. So just by removing the special meaning of these characters, they can be used with the printf statement. Now have a look at this following code. You might be thinking that it is a very simple code. So what would be the output of this code? More specifically, will hello get printed in 10 lines? If you are thinking yes, then you are wrong about it. This program will lead to compilation error. Let us execute and see. See, the error declared here is k is undeclared in this function. So carefully observe now that we have defined this k in uppercase. And this is taken as the integer variable in the program. So by this error, we understand that C is a case sensitive language and thus the variable named as capital K in this code is different than the variable having the name K, which is in the lower case. So we can easily overcome this problem just by changing this K. Let us now execute and find out the output. So we understand a very important concept that C is a case sensitive language. Stay tuned and keep watching. For doubts, write in the comments section.